welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. I am Anindita and today I will show you guys how I create this nude peachy makeup look. This is a very easy everyday type of look that you can do. I love the way this has turned out and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy makeup look है. I hope you guys are excited for this video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the links for the products and yeah. Let's get started. Alright you guys, let's start with the eye look. I've already done my base and I've also primed my eyes using some concealer and set it with powder. And now I'm going to take an eyeshadow palette which has the perfect peach shades, and this is by Nikake. So this is the Nikake Watermelon Splash eyeshadow palette and this is what I'll be using today. So first I'm just going to use these two shades. Just taking a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to just directly place this in my crease and मैं यहीं पे इसको blend करूँगी ऐसे. You guys can see that we have a soft peach transition going on. This eyeshadow palette is perfectly pigmented and ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable भी है. अभी इस पे एक offer भी चल रहा है, so don't forget to check out the links in the description box and you can get this at a very good offer. Okay, now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to use this shade on my outer corners to create more depth. This eye look is actually almost done. Now I'm just going to take a brown kajal and इसको ना मैं एक ऐसे flat brush पे ले रही हूँ and I'm just going to line my eyes इससे. This looks softer than black and I'm creating the tiniest bit of wing as you guys can see. This just helps to add a little bit of dimension to the eyes and आप difference देख सकते हो. Next I'm going to take my Smashbox Cali Contour palette. Like always this is my favorite palette ever and इससे ना मैं ये वाला shade लूँगी and I am going to highlight my inner corners. This just helps to open up the eyes. And what I'm going to do is मैं इसी को थोड़ा से ऊपर भी लूँगी and I'm going to connect it and blend it towards the crease. Time for some mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is basically false lashes in a mascara. I always like to take the excess off and इससे क्या होगा आपकी lashes clumpy नहीं होंगी. Eye makeup is all done. I love the way this has turned out and now I'm going to use a blush on my cheek and उसके लिए I'm going to use Simply Nam Velvet Cream Magic Blush and this is in the shade We Go Way Back. This is what it looks like. It has that peachy undertone and I'm just going to place it right here and blend it towards the hairline. These blushes are super easy to work with and इनमें इतने beautiful shades आते हैं. For the lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Vinyl Lipstick in the shade Peachy, the perfect shade for this makeup look. I love the formula. अपने lips को बिल्कुल smack मत करना इसको लगाने के बाद, otherwise वो ऐसे crumbly सा हो जाएगा. Just let it be for 5 minutes and this will dry out completely and you'll be left with a very glossy matte lipstick. I don't know how they did this, but I love the formula of this lipstick. And yeah, this is the final makeup look and I love the way this has turned out. This is a very wearable peachy nude makeup look that anybody can do. आपने देखा मैंने कितनी easily ये कर लिया and all the products that I use will be linked in the description box below in case you want to check it out and you want to use the same products to recreate this look. Don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.